Let's see what that is. Watch. We'll focus.
Ew! What is that?
Ew.
That's gross.
Dad, can I try doing it?
Yeah.
Look, this is the spider web.
This is the LLIMINK microscope. I got it recently. My family has had a ton of fun with it. It comes with a cleaning cloth, a manual. Here's the main screen on it and the microscope itself. It comes with two USB-C cables. These are basically just used to charge the screen and charge the lights. It also comes with an HDMI cable if you want to plug it into a monitor or a TV or something like that. And then here's the little stand, I guess is maybe what it's called. And the microscope base has two lights on it that you can move around so you can point it at whatever you're trying to look at. You just screw this stand on top of the base and then you can secure it tightly with the ring. So on the microscope itself, it has output, USB, it has a slot for an SD card, and then your HDMI. And here you see a cover over the microscope. So there's the microscope itself and it has LEDs all around it. So whatever's under it, you can see it. It comes with its own SD card, which is really convenient. You can just pop that in and then when you're looking at things, you can just press the OK button and it will record whatever you are looking at. It comes with a remote control as well. It has two slides. One slide is for this ant and then it has a slide for a limewood stem. Not really sure what that is, but it looks beautiful under this microscope. And to use it, you just plug in the USB, and again, this just charges the batteries that are built inside the microscope, so you can plug in the USB and it will charge the screen and charge the lights. I like to leave the USB plugged in as much as I can just to keep it always charged, but when you need to move the microscope around, you don't have to have it plugged in. Here I am just looking at a coin, experimenting with the microscope for the first time. So let me just run you through some of the things I've been looking at under the microscope, and so you can see how impressive the quality is. Here's just a leaf. I think this is a lilac leaf. Here is some paper towel. You can see the fibers in the paper towel. This is my finger. You can see how dry my skin is. And this is my finger zoomed out a little bit more. You can kind of see the fingerprint. Here's another leaf. I believe this is a walnut leaf. Looks pretty cool under the microscope. And this again is zoomed out a little bit. This is the same walnut leaf but zoomed in a bit more. You can look at this brown spot. Not really sure what that is, but it's interesting. And here is a cleaning cloth with very finely woven threads. So this is zoomed a couple inches above the cloth. And then when I zoom in all the way, you can really see the individual threads on the threads, if that makes any sense. It's really interesting to look at it so close up. Here is a coin zoomed in all the way. If I zoom out a bit more, you can see a little bit more what this is. I think this is on a dime, and it's just kind of fun to look at really close. So if you're doing electronics or jewelry, you can see everything really well. This is a 45 record, so if you see zoomed out a bit, you can kind of see the grooves here. And then as I zoom in, this is the groove that the stylus or the needle goes into, and that's what plays the music. It's really interesting. Still hard to know how record players work just from vibrations, but man, it's really cool. And here's a Dandelion Seed. It's kind of cool to see the spikes and umbrella on that. Overall, the microscope has been a ton of fun. My kids really like looking at random things in it. It's one of those things that I don't mind if my kids play with it all day because they're learning and they're gaining a fascination with the world. Obviously, the microscope can be a great tool for electronics and other things, but honestly, for me, it's just a lot of fun. Oh, guys, look.
Look. This is the stem.
Okay, let's look here.
Look. Ooh, look at that. That's the spike.
That's the part that makes it tan.
Here, look. There, can you see it now?
Oh, do you see it?
That is so sparkly and cute. Yeah. let's do the rock.
Okay, let's do the rock. Okay, put the rock in. Should we focus it?
Oh, like there's like.
Oh, that's cool, huh?
It's like you are on the moon.
Yeah, it's like you're on the moon.
Wait, so that is gold?
Do you guys want to do the leaf?
Like it's real gold?
Okay, put the leaf on. Let's do the leaf.
Okay, put the leaf.
Okay, take the rock away.
Make sure to take the rock away.
Okay, good job.
I can just see green.
All right, mommy's gonna focus it for you.
Hang on.
That must be a bug.
Do you see a bug on there?
Yes, yes.
We should put a
Hang on,
bug
hang
in
on.
here.
Okay, who wants to put their finger in?
Me,
Okay, no, other way.
Like-
Okay, and you want to see what your finger looks like?
Yeah.